Good evening, everybody. My name is Raman Kumar Bansal, and I am currently pursuing my post graduation from NIT Warangal. And today I am here to guide you regarding the Techlearn courses, uh, both courses, like for the paid courses also and for the free sessions also. Like if you want to learn, if you are interested in learning, then there are many platforms which offers you great learning. But Techlearn is one among the best platform. Like it offers many kinds of learning, uh, like master your domain in data science section. You can continue your career in data science, competitive programming, full stack development, and power skills. And also for the data science, we have both the courses. Like Techlearn offer both the courses. It offers it for free to uh, so that many students will study. Like if you want to study, then money will not be the barrier to study. So Techlearn offers free session, and believe me, Techlearn's free session are damn good. I have also attended many sessions, and like in Python programming for beginners, it's very basic. From the 0 to 100, they will teach you. Okay, so it's not a big deal if you don't know anything about Python programming language. And also mentor support is there. Other platforms, most of the platform doesn't offer you the mentor support. Okay, so Techlearn is best among all the platforms. Here is the in every course you can get the course detail like introduction, getting started, what kind of sessions will be there, then working with variables, after that control statements, after that data structures. And data structures, believe me, is a very important topic. Like for your campus placements, data structures is very important. It is useful in every field. Like if you want to make your career in either data science or in software development, so you have to learn data structures. Okay, and after the completion of webinar, you will get the certificate of completion from Techlearn also, signed by the co-founder of Techlearn, Mr. Kishore Reddy. So it's very helpful. If you put this certificate in your resume, na, then it will surely enhance your resume. Okay, so you may enroll for these courses. And one more thing I want to enhance, like in competitive programming, if you are a good programmer, it doesn't matter if you don't know the competitive programming part. Like there are many programmers. If I give you 1 hour for one question, simple question, then you will easily do that. But if you are not that much good in programming, like if you are not able to compete with others, then it's of no use. And let me tell you about the paid sessions also. In live session section, like you can go to techlearn.live.com. In the courses section, you will find these free courses which you can take anytime. No fees will be charged, and then certificate will also be given with free of cost. Many platforms offer certificate, but after paying certain amount. But Techlearn offers certificate without paying even a single penny. Okay, and in the live session part, you can attend this how to build your first cryptocurrency, build real-time face recognition, artificial intelligence using Python. Like if you want to enroll in any course, then click on that course. Okay, it's a paid course. Rupees 299 will be charged through to attend this session. And like here you will be taught everything about the artificial intelligence using Python. They will guide you how to prepare your first program of Python, and how to use artificial intelligence to make a program which recognize your face. Okay, shareable certificate will be there. 100% online live class. Like no offline class will be there. Doubt resolution is there. Practice material will also be provided, and mentor support is also there, which is not listed here. Okay, so, what this program will do, every description is written, like what is face recognition. Before attending the live session, you can just go through this description material. It will give you a brief idea about the session, and in the session you will get the whole contrary, like how to proceed further, like what is face recognition, applications of face recognition. Computer vision will be only available if you book the session. So after the whole session, you will get a certificate of attendance, which you can easily put uh, on your resume, which will enhance your resume. Okay, while applying for campus placement, these kinds of certificates are very helpful to make you much higher than other students. Like in campus placement, especially out of 60 students, 50 students will apply. Okay, but what are the skills which attract the attract the people to hire you. These are the certificates which helps you to be in front of those persons. You have to first log in into the portal by your mobile number. It will ask you basic details about your name, college name, and your year of graduation. After that, you can easily book your session. I will also include the links for booking the session in the description box. You can also download the Techlearn app, or available in both iPhones, iStores, and Google Play Store, which will be used for learning. And one best thing about Techlearn is whole session is conducted on Zoom meeting, so you can easily attend the session at your place. Okay, and I want to say one thing, like you should try these Techlearn. Like many platforms, we just avoid because of they are free. Like we think that free sessions are not worthy, but in my case, I use Techlearn from past 6 months, and in my campus placement, it is helping me very much. Like I have enrolled in paid sessions also, so it is helping me very much. So I suggest you to try at least once a Techlearn, so that you get an idea how Techlearn is teaching. Like you should know the difference between other platforms and Techlearn. So you should enroll in free session, and if you are preparing for campus placements in data science field, then these two sessions are a boom for you. Okay, and if you are preparing for software development, then you should go for C++ programming for beginners. Full stack development, two courses are there, and power skills are also there. So you should start learning from Techlearn. It's a great advice from me. Thank you, everyone.